Students, today I am going to explain you chapter number 9, line and angles. This is an introduction video, so watch this video carefully. In this video I will discuss about the lines. Now this representation is line. A line is a set of dots. A line is a set of dots which goes endlessly in the opposite directions. These arrowheads tell us that in the both direction the line is endlessly going. It is never ending. We can have the name of the line with the any letters of English like A and B. So this is a line. Again, we can represent a line with a single letter like L, like T. So we can also write this in this way, line AB or line BA, both way. This can be written as line L, line T. Next, line segment. Line segment. In the line segment, it is also the part of a line. Suppose that this is a line A and B. If we take any part of A and B like P and Q, so this part P and Q, it is called a line segment. Since a line segment has two fixed points or end points, so it can be measured. Suppose that PQ is equal to 3 cm. We can write here PQ is equal to 3 cm like this way. Now I will take a ray. A ray goes in one direction only, which is also a part of the line, like this way. The ray has one initial point like OP. This is called starting point or initial point. Contrary to this is called fixed point also. And in one direction, this arrow heads tell us the ray is going in one direction endlessly. Since we don't have other fixed points, so we cannot measure this. We can represent the ray like this OP and write here ray OP in this way. After that, I am taking angles. Now this is the diagram of an angle. When two rays are going in different directions having one common vertex like O, A and B, this form an angle. Okay, so OB is called arm, O is called also arm. This point is called vertex. Between the distance, this is our angle. So we can write the name of the angle like this way, angle AOB, or we can take from the base angle BOA. We can write the angles in both way. I hope it is clear. Now various types of angles, I think you have know these, like acute angles, which is less than 90 degree and